There are a couple more cases of differential equations that I'd like to look at in today's class. And the first one is, what do we do when my derivative, dy dx, is expressed as some function of y and not a function of x? And when this sort of thing happens, then what we're going to do is use our knowledge of the chain rule to change things about a little bit. So if dy dx equals some function of y, then dx dy equals 1 over that function. And therefore, x will equal the integral of 1 over fy with respect to y. And that way you can work out what x is in terms of y, and then, if necessary, because you don't always have to, then you can change the subject to make y the subject of the equation once you've already done your integration. So that's how you're going to handle something like this. Now, quite often, when you find that you make a reciprocal here, you'll end up with a log expression, or you might end up with an inverse tan expression. So be aware of that. The other circumstance that today's lesson covers is when you have some double derivative involved. And when you have something like that, and you end up with an equation that looks like d2y dx squared plus 4 dy dx plus 7y or something like that, then your strategy is going to be to list your values. So therefore, somewhere in your working out, you should write dy dx equals whatever it equals, and my double derivative equals whatever it equals, and then you substitute to either show what you need to show, verify what you need to verify, or find a solution that you need to find. That strategy will work in all of these questions when you have your double derivative. And once again, you need to practice your skills at taking derivatives and integrating to be able to manage this unit well. If you found this or any of my other videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel or like the video. Thanks.